Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create a list in Python with different types. So I have the area variables in square meters, which is hallway, kitchen, living room, bedroom and bathroom. And I am going to create a list with different types. So right now I'm going to create a list with a string variable and the integers variable. Okay, so first we have to declare the variable, and which is areas, and then we are going to use the assign operator and then square bracket. So first we are using a string variable. We are just uh, using a string with the hallway string. Then we are going towards comma, and then I'm using this hall variable with the value of 11.25. So I'm just writing the hall, and I am going with the new variable kitchen, comma, and the variable name kit. So this is the variable name. The third one is living room, comma, and the variable name which is live. Okay, the fourth one is bedroom, comma, and the variable name bed. And the last one is, you can say, bathroom, comma, the variable sign bath. Okay, so we created a list with two data types. First one is string and the second one is integers. So we are going to print the list here. So I am just writing the print areas, and we are going to run this code. And here we go. We create a list with the with two variables with two different types, and here are these values. You can see the hallway has the square meters 11.25, the area. Then kitchen had 80.0, living room have 20.0, bedroom have 10.75 square meters, and bathroom have 9.5 square meters area. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python, you can ask me in the comment section. And one thing I noticed, these are the float values, not integers values. Thanks for watching.